Good day everyone. So this is a group pa rin kamot. I am Shamroy Cuevas.
Inayan, may ka magkuya Cuevas?
And I'm Christian J. Bilbiloni.
For today's video guys, we are explains about the different types of exceptions, built-in exceptions, user-defined exceptions, check-in and check exceptions guys.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
So what is user-defined exception? In Java, exceptions are issues that occur during the execution of a program, causing it to terminate abruptly, while Java provides a wide range of built-in exceptions. There are scenarios where creating custom exceptions, also known as user-defined exceptions, is necessary. These custom exceptions allow developers to handle specific situations that are not covered by standard exception. So, in short, mo ni sila ang nagabuhat og exception. Mao na ang user.
So guys, they talk about exception hierarchy. So under the exception hierarchy is meron tayong user-defined o built-in. So ang user-defined no is isa siya sa custom na ang user maujud ang nagbuhat mismo. Then sa built-in naman is mao ni ang atong kaning gina eskwelahan kumbaga. Under naman sa built-in, there are two types, no? Uncheck and uncheck. So, the example of check is class not found exception, interrupted exception, IO exception, instantiation exception, SQL exception, file not found exception. And sa uncheck naman is arithmetic exception, class cast exception, null pointer exception, index outbound exception, a restore exception, an illegal thread state exception. So, ang user-defined no is particular na makikita natin kasi ang nagabuhat ani is ano ang ang check exception are exception that are checked at compile time. So kani siya gina-check siya while naga compile ang user no before a program is completely executed. So ang check daw is siya bago siya i-run ang program is na-check na siya ay kumbaga na-check na. So ang uncheck exception are exception that uncheck will occur while the program is running. In short, runtime exception. Kadalasan ni siya makita while the program is kanang magka-error bitaw. Very common ang mga cases jud aning uncheck exception no. Then while ang exception is nagaran, ginatawag din nato ni og input mismatch. So let's talk about.
So guys, mo ni ang mga pinaka-common na exceptions no. So arithmetic exceptions guys. So pasabot guys, arithmetic occurs when dividing or using modulo by 0. Example guys, int, then ibutan na is 5 divided by 0, then 5 is modulo 0 guys. Siyempre guys, magkaroon dito siya og error. Then guys, proceed ta sa arithmetic exceptions no. So int x is equals to 5 divided by 0. So, pag narana sa guys, so dito siya pwede guys sumagin sa arithmetic exceptions guys kay di man siya ma-divide sa 0 guys no. Next na po guys is input mismatch exception. Occurs when inputting invalid data types on the scanner. Example guys, scanner is a new scan system and then nangayat ag integer guys, then ang atong gihata guys is daily integers guys. So, pagkaroon siya exceptions guys, ang name sa exceptions is input mismatch exceptions. And next, so hi guys, welcome back sa atong IDE no. So first is atong try is ang mismatch exception is equal sa new scanner system dot. And guys, then import na itong scanner guys no, kasi mas magkano pag di na ito import guys. So import import java dot util dot scanner. So mga ito diri og integers no. So int x is equals to dot next int wait lang guys. So there guys do, so 60 guys nangatag integer guys. Pag tama tong ibutang guys is wala siya problema, pero pag mali guys, so there guys mismatch exception guys no. So pwede na limit og try catch guys no. So gamitan sa try catch guys, then catch lang nato sa there guys. Then catch lang nato lagi guys no. So exception e then curly braces guys. Then magsinaprintin ng tadiri o buta ng tadiri guys is tadiri guys is goods lang nato guys. Then there guys is sasinapprint lang tadiri guys is mga tawag number. Then so para nato guys, pag mali nato ibutang guys, okay, print gapon niya guys is goods. Muna ang purpose try guys is array outbound of exceptions occur when accessing index that doesn't exist. So it means guys, for example kani guys string name Shimer Micah Christian J Daini, this is unprintln 4 guys. So wala may 4 guys no guys kay 0 1 2 3. So pag magprint kag 4, so makabutang ito guys array out of bound exceptions kay wa may 4 there guys. The next guys is, so proceed nito guys sa another exceptions array not of bound exceptions guys no. So string names equals to names ano guys equals na to siya guys sa puno na to guys is Micah Christian, then Shimer, then sinaprintin nato guys names. So buta nato guys is print og 4, so 3 lang guys. Then kasi may 4 guys, diba wala ka 0 1 2 0 1 2, so wala 3. Pag naro natin guys, okay, array index not of bound. Pag i-try po natin guys is negative 1, wala magkapin negative 1 diya guys. So if 6 array is not of bound guys no. So pwede mo na gamit ang mga try catch guys sa gusto ninyo. Next na po ito guys, na po diya so next guys is number format exceptions guys. Mo ni ang kuan exceptions na i-convert nimo og integer ang string guys. For example is nakabutang diri occurs when converting letters to numeric types. Example guys, string name to nato Micah, then i-convert nato siya og to integer guys. So mag-error gud siya guys no, ang pangalan kay number format exceptions. So next is kasi nabuta sa number format exception guys no. So butang tag string name is equals to butang nato guys Micah, quotation na siya guys Micah guys. Then i-convert nato sa guys sa int x is equal to integer parse guys mo niyang pangalan guys no. So name, so ang Micah guys ato siyang gi-converts into integer guys, that's why Kung is number, format, exceptions guys no. So pwede nimo gamitan og try catch guys nga tulang nimo siya sa kagibuhat na ko ganin guys. So next guys buta na diri sa another guys. So that's all for today guys no.
And I hope na mo na learn guys.
Thank you for listening. And
And
that's all.
Bye bye.